How do you share a file while preventing the ability to print or download? What's the difference between opening versus importing a file? What are the steps to copy a document and preserve the comments others have made? These questions will be answered as we cover every feature on the top half of the Google Sheets File tab. If you have questions for us, please post them in the comments and we'll respond, or email us at techtipsin10@gmail.com. Let's get started. While in a spreadsheet, you can create another new blank spreadsheet by clicking File, New, Spreadsheet. To use a template as a starting point, choose from Template Gallery to browse through about 25 templates. Open displays spreadsheets you recently worked on. Choose the My Drive tab to open any file in your online storage folder. Shared with Me is a filter that removes files you are the owner of and only displays files that other people have shared with you. Starred shows files you marked as a favorite for easy access. This is convenient when you have a file that needs periodic updating like a monthly or quarterly report. The Computers tab is for files that you made available offline when not connected to the internet. This requires a paid Google account. Upload lets you upload a file from a location on your computer. Use Import to convert other file types like Excel into Sheets. Note some formatting and functionality may get lost in the conversion. Before we continue, have you subscribed to our channel yet? Receive ongoing productivity tips and become that go-to tech person as you grow to pro by clicking subscribe now. Click Copy to duplicate the current document. The original will be maintained and changes will appear in the new file. Copy of will be added to the name of the file. The file will be saved in your My Drive by default, but you may also set a different location. Additional options include if you would like to copy access permissions and user comments. Select Share, followed by Share with Others, to grant individuals or groups access to the file. Editors have full permissions. A commenter may be somebody like your boss who posts questions about parts of the file. Viewers are restricted from making changes. If you have learned something new so far, click the thumbs up icon below to give this video a boost and help others discover these tips. There is an option to send an email notification along with a field to add notes. Settings lets you change if editors may share the file or change access settings for others. Also change if viewers have the ability to print or download the file. A default setting is to restrict the access to only the chosen individuals, but this can be modified to anyone that has the link. For published documents, choose Publish to Web to make the document available to anyone. You may choose to publish the entire workbook or just a specific sheet. There are different link options. Notice how the URL changes. For advanced users, there is also the option to embed into an HTML iframe. Under Publish Content settings, you may toggle off automatic publication of updates in case something needs approval before updates are made to the public. The email option sends a static version of the file in a PDF or Excel format, but does not update when changes are made. Finally, a copy of the file can be downloaded in various formats as well. More content is on the way, including Part 2 of the File tab. Be sure to subscribe and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.